It's through and through delicate. It's going to detonate. No giving me won't be a significant opportunity to go for that. The thing is, it very well may be tomorrow. It very well may be during this transmission. What's more, it would gleam like an ensuing sun. Over the James Webb Telescope has as of late identified an unexpected 250% advancement in the brilliance of Scarab Jew, the red star organized at the shoulder of the Orion star gathering. This impulsive way to deal with acting has lit energy for a spellbinding showcase. Some propose the flood in wonder could show Betelgeuse is preparing to go supernova, yet the specific time stays problematic. Specialists gauge it could happen in a short time. Come with us as we examine the profundities of space and unravel the favored bits of knowledge consolidating this fabulous Goliath. Scarab Juice has the potential to reshape how we understand the universe. No matter what its name, not being well known, you've apparently valued its wonderfulness. A splendid bronze shimmer sparkling brilliantly at the shoulder of Orion, an extraordinary star gathering. Scarab Juice's hugeness is floundering. At whatever point set at the center of our planetary system, its outer surface would connect past Jupiter's circle. This monster star, effectively recognizable, keeps on captivating us. Dissimilar to most stars, Scarab Juice changes clearly over the long run because of its closeness to our framework. Named a semi-regular variable star, its brilliance changes reliably, pushing toward a normal ideal breakdown in an enormous blast. As of late, Creepy Crawly Juice has become much more amazing in light of astounding changes in brightness. These variances include a gigantic flood on May 20, 2023. Researchers observed a 142% increase in magnificence, followed by a later update showing a 150% addition. An astrophysicist from the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics, Dupree, noticed that Betelgeuse currently ranks as the 7th brightest star in the night sky, climbing 3 spots from its standard 10th position. From the southern part of the globe, Insect Juice shines splendidly in the evening sky, easily recognizable at the shoulder of the Orion constellation. Dr. Sarah Webb, an astrophysicist from Swinburne School of Innovation in Australia, highlights Scarab Juice's significance. It offers an intriguing chance to focus on the last phases of a gigantic star's life, giving huge pieces of insight into red giants' behavior before they explode as supernovae. When Insect Juice eventually detonates, it could become unfathomably bright for about 7 days, possibly casting shadows around nighttime. This prospect has both amateur stargazers and expert space specialists eagerly anticipating the event. Heidi Morris, a researcher at Los Alamos National Laboratory and president of the PD Stargazers and Cosmology Club, noted the enduring interest in Creepy Crawly Juice's splendor contrasts, a phenomenon observed for centuries. At this moment, Betelgeuse's brilliant cycle persists near 130 days, significantly shorter than its usual long-term cycle. These quick changes provide cosmologists with a unique chance to study this celestial phenomenon thoroughly, shedding light on the final stages of a star's life. The astounding behavior of Scarab Juice began in 2019 when it fiercely ejected a piece of its outer atmosphere. These fluctuations and splendor are surprising for Bug Juice, raising questions about whether it will detonate into a cosmic explosion. As demonstrated by a paper authored by Dupree and other experts from Harvard and the University of California, Berkeley, it will take another 5 to 10 years before Betelgeuse returns to its expected 400-day brightness cycle. Since the dramatic dimming, Scarab Juice has shown altered behavior regarding its light and rotation RA. Despite its unpredictable behavior, Betelgeuse remains a massive red supergiant star undergoing the final stages of rapid evolution. As it depletes its fuel, the core will collapse under its immense mass, resulting in a cosmic explosion that could outshine entire galaxies. The timing of this event is uncertain. Dr. Pierre, a professor of cosmology at the University of Portsmouth, notes that predicting supernova events remains challenging due to limited historical data and the complexity of stellar evolution. Bug Juice is currently undergoing fusion processes, continually producing elements like helium, carbon, oxygen, silicon, and iron. As a red giant star, it fuses helium into carbon in its core, a process that takes thousands of years. Eventually, it will progress to fuse heavier elements until it can no longer sustain fusion reactions, leading to gravitational collapse and potentially forming a black hole or neutron star. While some speculate about Betelgeuse's imminent explosion, historical records show it has been becoming redder in recent years, suggesting it may take considerable time before it goes supernova. NASA estimates indicate that creepy crawly juice might not explode for another 100,000 years, providing reassurance that its impact is unlikely to occur within our lifetimes. Regardless of this uncertainty, Betelgeuse's behavior continues to fascinate researchers. Advancements in our understanding of stellar evolution are ongoing. Dr. Sarah Webb reminds us to remain open to possibilities, even as we recognize the low likelihood of witnessing creepy crawly juice's explosion in our lifetimes. Our observations of creepy crawly juice are essentially glimpses into the past. The light we see from the star is more than 600 years old. Hypothetically, scarab juice could have already exploded, and we wouldn't yet know it. While this possibility exists, it is far from certain. History has shown that assumptions in astronomy can be overturned. Before 1987, astronomers believed only red supergiants could undergo supernovae. However, that year, a massive blue star in another galaxy exploded, shocking the scientific community. There is still much to learn, and surprises may lie ahead. Observing bug juice and other massive stars allows us to expand our understanding of celestial phenomena. Regardless of the absence of an imminent explosion, creepy crawly juice's current behavior is captivating. Its fluctuation between dimming and brightening reveals fascinating physics. The fact that stars pulsate on human timescales is remarkable. While creepy crawly Jew is currently much brighter than expected, considering its usual long-term cycle, there is hope it will eventually return to this cycle. However, it is struggling to do so. Later observations suggest that insect juice may be in a late stage or nearing the end of the carbon-burning core cycle. This stage involves the conversion of carbon into heavier elements like oxygen and magnesium. If this is indeed the case, scientists predict a core collapse leading to a massive explosion could occur within a few hundred years. However, the exact timing of insect juice's evolution remains difficult to determine, and uncertainties persist. The possibility of witnessing Betelgeuse's explosion remains unclear, as the carbon-burning stage can last up to 1,000 years. The study suggesting an imminent explosion has not yet been accepted for publication. Nonetheless, the potential for insect juice to transform into a supernova is thrilling. It would be a rare event, visible even during the day for several days. When the event occurs, the initial signs of the supernova's arrival will be subtle yet evident, with neutrinos sweeping across Earth as high-energy photons escape from the expanding cloud of cosmic debris. Scarab juice will likely grow brighter in the night sky, potentially reaching peak brightness 10,000 to 100,000 times its usual luminosity within just a few weeks. This spectacle will amaze anyone fortunate enough to witness it, marking a significant moment in cosmic history. The remnants of Betelgeuse's explosion could be as bright as a quarter or half of a full moon, condensed into a single point of light. Amazingly, this brightness would be visible during daylight, casting dramatic shadows at night. Predictions suggest it could be 15 to 20 times brighter than Venus, currently the second brightest object in the night sky. The display of Betelgeuse's explosion would persist in our view for approximately 100 days, captivating space enthusiasts and providing a unique opportunity to observe the aftermath up close. Fortunately, Betelgeuse's supernova would pose no threat to humanity, as it is still about 650 light-years away. Optics and telescopes would allow us to observe the event over an extended period without any harm. However, such a dramatic event would not go unnoticed. Historically, supernovae were often interpreted as omens, and Betelgeuse's destruction could inspire fascinating reactions worldwide. Astronomers believe it might even reignite widespread interest in astronomy, awakening a global curiosity about the universe and its mysteries. Interestingly, Betelgeuse is not the only red supergiant in our galaxy. Others, like Eta Carinae, could explode before it does. In fact, our Milky Way should witness a supernova approximately once every 50 years, yet we haven't observed one in the past 400 years. However, remnants of past explosions indicate that we are overdue for a significant celestial event. It's only a matter of time before the next star provides its grand show for the universe to witness. Betelgeuse's history is rich with significant events, including the dramatic dimming in the fall of 2019. This sudden decrease in brightness puzzled astronomers and sparked speculation about its potential explosion. Although Betelgeuse's brightness returned to normal by April 2020, the reason for its dimming remained a mystery until further observations provided insight into the phenomenon. Skywatchers can easily spot creepy crawly juice from their backyards, providing valuable observations for scientists to gain a deeper understanding of the star and its dramatic changes. Researchers rely on observatories like Hubble to study Betelgeuse's fluctuations. The interest surrounding its dimming and potential explosion has captured the imagination of many. Amateur stargazers and professional scientists alike are drawn to the star's unpredictability, which makes it an exceptional subject for study. These observations not only offer insights into the nature of red supergiants but also provide valuable data about stellar life cycles, the processes leading to supernova explosions, and the dynamics of massive stars nearing the end of their existence. Betelgeuse's recent surge in brightness in 2023 has reignited global interest in this celestial giant. The star's extraordinary behavior raises compelling questions about the timing and nature of its inevitable supernova event. Some astronomers are hopeful that Betelgeuse's brightening is a sign that the star is approaching the end of its life, while others caution that it may simply be experiencing an unusual yet normal phase of evolution. These changes in brightness present an exciting opportunity to observe stellar behavior in real time, giving astronomers a chance to test theories about the evolution of massive stars and their eventual demise.